Hello you guys just know that Charlie just released his newest album, Voicenotes. Yeah, and it's a really good album. I really love it. And actually you already know that back then we have another cover for Voicenotes, right? It's the black and white on the back cover, I think. And I think, in just my opinion, that he changed his mind on some of the concept and he wanted to be more mature or more personal, so that's why he changed to this booklet. And any reason I don't know, but maybe he cannot reprint everything, so he still released the own version and sent. And whenever everybody, when they bought from the official website, they would receive a link to download the new booklet, and it's really cool. And a new booklet is printable, so you can read by yourself. And yeah, I did it this afternoon, and it's looked really great. Let me show you. It's wonderful, right? I think it's better than the original one. I think it's better. Let me show you the website. It's really good. It's really good. I don't know, but I think it's reflect the meaning of the album more than the old versions. I haven't received my CD yet, but I look online, I search YouTube, and I watch on the videos, and I know that what exactly inside the original version. This one is perfect. Hey, this one is cool too. Yeah, I love it. I think it's one of the best design of US UK album these days, because people are now crazy about K-pop design and they almost forgot about that. US UK cities is one of the best. This one is very cute. Yeah, I think it's really good. It's a really good design. Yeah, but I'm still waiting for my CD to arrive and then replace this one with the original one, or we could have both on the same CD. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you already bought your copy of Voicenotes, so please go to any shop out there to print out this amazing booklet. I think amazing. Okay, bye. This is my first ever video, so I hope you guys like it. Bye.